Tired of your dedicated GPU hogging all the processing power? Let's unleash the full potential of your system by enabling both your integrated and dedicated graphics cards to work together. First, we need to dive into your computer's BIOS. Restart your computer and repeatedly press the designated key to enter the BIOS setup utility. This key varies depending on your motherboard manufacturer, but it's commonly Dell, F2, F12, or SC. Check your motherboard manual if you're unsure. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the chipset, graphics, or advanced settings section. Look for an option called Integrated Graphics, iGPU Multi-Monitor, or something similar. Enable this option. You might also find settings related to integrated graphics memory allocation. Consider increasing this if you plan to use the integrated graphics for demanding tasks. Make sure primary display is set to auto to make the GPU the primary output automatically. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart after logging in. Open Device Manager. You should now see both your integrated graphics and dedicated graphics card listed under display adapters. If your integrated graphics aren't showing, you might need to install the appropriate drivers from your motherboard manufacturer's website. Now, it's time to configure how each GPU handles tasks. Open your dedicated graphics card control panel for NVIDIA cards. This is the NVIDIA control panel. For AMD, it's Radeon settings here. You can set global graphics settings for all applications and assign specific programs to either your dedicated GPU or integrated graphics. Alternatively, you can right-click on a program's executable file and choose Run with Graphics Processor to manually select which GPU to use. This is handy for offloading less demanding tasks to your integrated graphics while reserving your dedicated GPU for gaming or heavy editing. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled and configured both your integrated and dedicated graphics cards. Now you can enjoy the benefits of multi-monitor setups, better power efficiency, or offloading background tasks. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PC optimization tips.